Welcome to the Chameleon for Digital Signage video that explains how to monitor and configure your Chameleon devices using the Chameleon Dashboard. After logging into the Chameleon Dashboard, the first screen shown will be the device list. Access this screen at any time using the device link provided. Devices will be listed on both the left and right sides of this screen. DeviceWorks will have provisioned your devices before they ship, so devices will be listed automatically when you first log in. A tree is shown on the left side of the screen. This tree groups devices within optionally created and assigned divisions, sites, and departments. Divisions, sites, and departments are labels for geographic areas or locales that can include devices. These labels support grouping devices for easier listing and for filtering and grouping of playback report data. There are no rules for using these locales. However, typically, division labels describe a large locale such as a state, province, or region such as the Pacific Northwest. Site labels typically describe an addressable location such as a store, and department labels commonly describe an area within a site. In this example, the HQ demo device is not assigned to any division, site, or department and is shown directly under your customer name at the root of the tree. A triangle beside any tree branch indicates that the branch contains sub-branches or devices. Select the triangle to view what is inside. Here, the BC division contains a device named BC Demo and a site labeled Store 12543. The triangle beside this site indicates that it contains additional elements. Opening the Store 12543 site shows a device named Welcome Screen and a department labeled Checkout. Finally, opening Checkout shows a device named Daily Deals. Within the tree, devices that are communicating with the server are shown with a green icon. Devices not communicating, because they may be unplugged or have lost their internet connection, are shown with a red icon. The right side of the screen shows a list of devices for the selected tree branch. Selecting your customer name at the root of the tree shows all devices. Selecting a division, site, or department lists only the devices within the selected division, site, or department. Attributes for each listed device include its unique ID, its name, the campaign that was last selected for the device, the time when that campaign was downloaded to the device, the last time that the device communicated or checked in with the dashboard, and the version of Chameleon running within the device. This list will refresh periodically and can be immediately refreshed using the button provided above the list. Note that the Add button above this list supports customer self-provisioning of devices, that is, adding them to the list, but no such action is typically required as DeviceWorks will provision your devices before shipping them to you. Selecting any device opens a screen that details the configuration for that device. Within the Device Details screen, users can change their device name, the time zone selected for their device, the campaign type to select, and campaign to play. Additionally, they can change the locale where the device resides by selecting the locale type and then the specific locale. Additional advanced controls support storage of contact info for the device and defining geofence boundaries if the device is portable and theft prevention is required. Commonly, contact info describes an in-store contact that can be engaged to troubleshoot why a device is not communicating with the dashboard. To create or alter available locale, access the administration page. Controls within this page support altering divisions, sites, and departments. To create or alter selectable campaigns, access the Ad Manager page. Details on campaign creation are described within a separate how-to video. For additional information on the Chameleon product, reference the user's guide that is available for download from www.deviceworks.com or email DeviceWorks support using email address support@deviceworks.com.